So here we are, this one Samsung Galaxy Fold. I'm very much excited about it. Let's unbox it. This one is 12GB 512GB variant. Let's see what we're getting inside it. Wow. This is the device. This is the silver sapphire one. As you can see, it's very slick. Let's see what comes inside it. So this is the Galaxy Fold Premier Service. So we are getting screen replacement for 1 year and to delivery and etc. So this is the carbon fiber cover. This is limited edition. We are not like, usually we don't get this one. We are getting the normal version one, but this is the carbon fiber one. It's pretty nice. Very premium feeling. So this is for the first time we are getting buds, Samsung Galaxy Buds, AKG Samsung Galaxy Buds for free with this, along with this. What else we are getting? We are getting the first charger. And as usual, this is not the first charger which comes with Samsung Galaxy Note 10, but the regular one. So here are some. Here's the data cable. And what are these? Oh, these are the buds of Galaxy Buds. So let's see the form. Okay. It's actually amazing. Very smooth. It has a premium feelings. Let's fold it. Nice. It looks very premium, very premium. Just loved it. So this is the on-screen display. So that's it. We are signing off from Gizmo Arena. If you want this device, please contact us. Thank you very much.